Welcome back, Chelsea Skyward channel. Today, we have a box, and it probably looks familiar because we had another video on it, but this is a different one. They released it, and it is the second one. It is the Star Wars retro action figures, but Disney made them. We have the first box, and this is the second box. So they're just going in order. I don't know if they're going to make all of them, but I love that. But I don't know. So in this box, we have the C-3PO, R2-D2, Obi-Wan Kenobi, Death Star Commander, Jawa, and the Sand People right there. So there's the front. The back is the same. On top of it, it just has the people right there. The side just says Star Wars, and that's pretty much it for the box. The bottom just says boring stuff that you don't want to hear. Probably. So there is 6 action figures in this, so let's just start off with the first one. So the first one we have is the Jawa right here. And so you see it says retro. Right there it says Star Wars, and that's the Jawa. There. And then on the back, it just has, you just read in it, like it tells you about it. Right there, and just says Star Wars, and just made by Disney right there. So that is the first one. So you can see the Jawa is right here, and it looks just like it. Now the capes are on here. I'll just have that cape off, so you can see it a little bit. Okay. So this is the Jawa right there, and compare it to that. It looks pretty much the same. So we'll put that one right there. Let's head on to the next one. So we have C-3PO. Right there, so C-3PO says retro, has Star Wars. Right there. And I think every card looks the same as the original cards right there. But it says on the back, right there, the same. And then the C-3PO is right here. He's really golden. He's not that. He's like silverish goldish, but it's okay. Right there. I think they really look alike. Okay. So we'll grab our next one. So we have the Death Star Commander right there. It says retro. All of them will say retro right there. In the back is the same there. And then the Death Star Commander. He looks a lot the same. Like the face looks the same. So and then we have I think this is my favorite one out of the box. R2-D2. I think he looks really alike to the original R2. He's right over here. So here's the front. And here is the back of it. And then we have the Sand People. There you go. There is the front. Back is the same, but I'll still show you it. And there is the action figure. They look alike. And so here we have the last one. We have the Obi-Wan Kenobi right there in the back. So think about this one. We have the gray hair Obi-Wan. This is the white hair Obi-Wan. right there where we have it on our stand. So, thank you guys for watching. May the Force be with you. Bye!